Yes, children, you can start your work now. Do you think that you will be able to finish the work in this period?
Ma'am, yes.
All of you? All of you will be able to do it?
No, ma'am.
Okay, no
Ma'am,
problem.
my 3 drawings and coloring is complete. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, which work?
Beta, I told you about this thing, no? You have to draw different types of pollution given on page number 130.
Okay, ma'am.
There are 4 pictures given on page number 130. You have to draw those pictures on a chart paper and tell what kind of pollution it is.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I have done the festivals chart. Can I show you?
Yes, beta, send it to me on WhatsApp.
Ma'am, I have sent it on the WhatsApp.
On WhatsApp to me personally or on in the class group?
Ma'am, in the class.
Okay, let me see. When did you send, Abhimanyu? All right. Abhimanyu, where have you taken these things from? Which book?
Ma'am, from our book, SST book. Ma'am,
Class 3
ma'am,
book.
I was third class SST book.
Okay.
Ma'am, I have also
So beta, wait, let me talk to Abhimanyu, Varun. Don't speak in between.
Ma'am, I have
So what have you taken?
created.
What have you made, Abhimanyu?
Ma'am, festivals pictures.
Festival. So why can I see these forts? This Rajghat and this Red Fort. What is all this?
जल्दी खा ले सामने मैडम खा रहा क्या हाँ पता है
Ma'am, this is the Independence Day festival and Republic Day festival.
All right. Okay, Abhimanyu. Did you see other children's chart, beta? How have they made, Abhimanyu?
No, ma'am.
These kind of collages are supposed to be made in a very creative manner. Now yours, you have done so much hard work. You have collected pictures, cut them, pasted them, but still, that factor is missing from your chart paper, from your collage, which should have been. For a sample, I shared a picture, no, with your class group. Sorry, on your class group with you all. I was expecting something like that. See, I'll share pictures with you, Abhimanyu, how it is supposed to be.
Ma'am, I have done my activity of pollution.
Dev Arya, you have done it also.
Ma'am,
You have done it also.
ma'am, I have done.
Send it to me. Show me how you have done. Abhimanyu, which is your number? 01802 in the end. Is that your number?
No, ma'am.
Then which one?
Ma'am, 8979542311.
Wait. 89. Okay, 42311. See, I have shared a picture with you. Just see. A collage is supposed to be like this. Now what you have done is we'll have to zoom everything. We can't read it, right? You were supposed to write it with your hand, beta. Yes, beta, your exam will be in the first period. Rest of the day you will be studying.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, exams were Ma'am, how much time we will get to complete our paper?
1 hour.
1 hour. And ma'am, what is the time? Means, ma'am,
9 to 10.
Ma'am, I have done the pollution work.
Okay, very nice. Have you colored it also?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Share the picture with me.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm sharing. Ma'am, please wait for 1 minute. Ma'am, my mother is calling. pollution में क्या बनाऊं? Ma'am, I have sent.
Very nice. Iram, now listen, beta. Do you have sketch pen at your home? Have you got sketch pens with you?
Yes, ma'am, I got, but ma'am, I cannot find it, ma'am, because they are very.
Okay. Now, if at all, ask your mother, you come across, you see your sketch pens anywhere. See, your chart paper is very beautiful. You've done so much hard work on it. Okay. You only need to outline this thing with a sketch pen now.
Ma'am, I have to the written part. I have to underline. Or ma'am, the drawing.
Beta, the written part, all the headings and all, these are definitely to be done with a sketch pen. Okay. And the outline of these drawings, like the pond that you have made, or this land pollution that you have shown, it all should be outlined with a sketch pen. It is going to look very nice then. Otherwise, also, you have done it nice, but you can make it even more beautiful by outlining it. So that is why I'm telling you, to please look for the sketch pens at your home.
Okay, ma'am, I'm looking.
Okay, and then you can also divide the page. When you divide the page, make these lines with a sketch pen so that proper division is seen. Right now, the division can't be seen very clearly. Okay?
Okay.
You're drawing the last picture. Okay, very nice. Now the class will get over at 1. So all of you have got 25 minutes to do this work.
25 minutes is very much.
Yes, it's a good time. I hope all of you will do it in today. You will complete this work today only.
Ma'am, soil pollution, what can I make?
Better the picture is given in the book. Why are you thinking so much? See from there and draw the same picture. Beta, you can send it to me also. Okay, do one thing, send it to me. Don't send it on your class group. All of you send your work to me. Okay, good. On different sheets. I told you to draw it in one sheet now.
Ma'am, can I show my work? Ma'am, I have done.
Yes, send it to me.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I was very busy to doing two activities that I have started, so I have forgotten to eat my breakfast.
Oh my God. Now you go and have your breakfast. Half of the
Ma'am,
day
I
is
have
already
taken
gone.
Ma'am, I have taken it. Yes, ma'am.
You have taken it?
Ma'am, I have taken it at 11:30.
Okay, okay. You took it at 11:30. Very nice. Now, Iram, I'm waiting for your work. Utsav, what about you? How much have you done?
Ma'am, I only have to color.
You only have to color.
Ma'am,
Okay.
I am outlining. Ma'am, please wait. I don't like coloring part.
Dev Arya. Now let me see what Dev Arya has sent. Wow, different types of pollution. Very nice, Dev.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, now I am free like Iram. Ma'am,
No,
when we
Iram
were
is
doing
not
that.
yet free. Iram is now beautifying her work. She's adding
Yes,
beauty.
ma'am.
Yes, to her
Ma'am,
pictures.
Ma'am, when we were doing that collage, ma'am, then Iram was done and free. Ma'am, now I am done and free.
Yes, now you are done and free. Good work.
Ma'am, I am on the last. Ma'am, I am outlining all the things. Remember?
Very good.
Some is
Share it with me.
It is not colored.
So beta, complete it and then
Ma'am?
share. I'm not going to share these pictures today with anybody. I'm going to share them when I have my class next with you all.
Ma'am,
Yes.
before I have joined again, ma'am, my
Again,
data
your
was
signals are gone.
0.0. Was refreshed and redeemed the ma'am data from the data thanks, and ma'am it takes a lot of time.
Okay.
Ma'am, I have outlined with that color only. Ma'am, it is looking very pretty.
Very nice. Have you divided the page also with a sketch pen?
Yes, ma'am. First only I have divided the page.
Okay, good. Iram, Utsav, Jayesh, Varin, Abhimanyu, Kushag, Lakshita, Anshuman. Whose name am I missing? Dev.
Ma'am, you have missed my name.
Dev Krishna. That's all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, that's all.
Please see my chart paper.
Very nice, beta. Very good.
Ma'am, I will write in these left space about noise pollution and soil pollution. Ma'am, I have pollution.
What are you saying, Varun? What have you done?
Ma'am, I have done air pollution, coloring and drawing both.
Okay, very nice.
Ma'am, I have made my chart paper more beautiful with the marker.
Very nice. Very good.
I am also doing with marker.
Now I am also very excited to see what you have made.
Ma'am, now I have completed mine, and ma'am, now I am sending you.
Okay, beta, send.
Ma'am, I think Ram is always first in every period. Ma'am, I think he has done, ma'am, she has done already.
No, she did it today only in the morning.
Ma'am, but so fast.
Yes, she is quick. You can be quick in written work. Can't she be quick in drawing? Very nice, Varun. It's looking very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, it could be possible. Ma'am, it is looking so nice. Ma'am, I have sent you. Please see.
Wow, Iram, I have received it. Wonderful. Now compare both the pictures, the one you sent earlier and this one. It's looking so many times more beautiful, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am, it is looking
Now,
very beautiful.
in
Ma'am,
future
the first
also,
one now looking, ma'am, the first one now looking, ma'am, that I have not done full.
yes, it's looking so incomplete. Now in future also, whenever you make these kind of collages or anything, this is how you're supposed to do. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Very nice. Wonderful work.
Can I send you half of the picture?
Oh, Utsav, even you are so excited to hear your praise, huh? That you don't want to complete your
No,
work and
ma'am.
you want to send
Ma'am,
me.
no, ma'am.
Then you should complete your work and then send. Okay? Even I
I
am
don't
very
like
excited to see what my children are doing. Even I am
Ma'am,
excited
but
to
I
see.
don't like coloring.
You don't like what?
Ma'am, coloring.
Why?
Ma'am, I like.
Coloring
Ma'am,
coloring only adds beauty to your pictures, beta, to your drawings. Without coloring, it is not good. Now see,
yes,
Anshuman has
ma'am.
done it so well. Anshuman has also drawn it so nicely.
From the ma'am, when have you said to make that collage, ma'am? That first collage of that, ma'am, festivals and food that I have made, ma'am, costumes, ma'am. That collage, after that collage, ma'am, there are many activities, ma'am. Because there is one activity of maths also, so ma'am, I have prepared that SST activity, ma'am, yours, and ma'am, I have prepared the maths activity today.
Oh, very good.
And ma'am, I have done tie and dye on handkerchief. Ma'am, can I show?
Yes, show it.
Ma'am, I have also done. Ma'am, I have also done.
Ma'am, please see. Ma'am, please see this handkerchief.
Wow,
Can I also show my tie and dye?
so beautiful. You did it yourself.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, for ma'am, this is the color of ma'am haldi. So, ma'am, in the gas, ma'am, for the hot water on the gas, ma'am, my mother helped me for putting this hanky in the hot
Ma'am, please.
water.
Ma'am, can I show you? Ma'am, can I show you my tie and
Hey,
dye?
Arya. She's speaking now.
And ma'am, I have make all the designs.
Very
Ma'am,
nice.
ma'am,
So you tied
mother
what?
helped
You
me,
tied. You tied some dal. You
Yes,
tied.
ma'am.
Which dal did you take?
Ma'am, I have not grams, so ma'am, I have tied, ma'am, the rajma that are not be in the, ma'am, the rajma that are not be, ma'am, for the food.
All right, very nice. It has come out very beautifully. Now, Dev, show what you have made.
Ma'am, I have drawn solution correctly or not?
Now, Varun,
Ma'am.
don't show it to me like that again and again. Beta, you have seen the picture in the book. See from there and draw it.
Ma'am, can I show you my tie and dye?
Yes, Beta, show what you have made.
Ma'am, please wait.
Wow. Very nice, very beautiful. Which color did you take, Dev?
Ma'am, I have take turmeric color.
Oh, haldi only, the same that Iram took.
Yes, ma'am.
But why are your yellows so different? Iram's yellow has come out so bright.
Ma'am, my yellow is different because ma'am, my turmeric was also, ma'am, it has some extra, ma'am, chemicals that make its color, ma'am, some light.
Okay, okay, okay. Very nice. It is also done very
Ma'am,
beautifully. Good.
Ma'am, in camera, it is, I think, looking like an orange color.
No, it's not looking orange. It is looking dull mustard kind of color.
Okay, ma'am.
Mustard camel color kind of a thing. And Iram's yellow is looking absolutely bright yellow. So other students, only Iram and Dev did this activity. What about other students?
Ma'am, I have also did.
You also did. Show me yours. Which color did you do?
Ma'am, I have also made tie and dye.
So which color have you used? Anyone has used anything apart from haldi? Apart from turmeric powder?
Ma'am, I have used red color.
So,
Ma'am, I have used alag. Ma'am, but it is. Ma'am, this I made.
oh, what is this?
Ma'am, it will not look in the camera. Ma'am, I can click a photo.
No, I can see it in the camera. But it is like, you didn't dip it in hot water so that it gets fully colored. Why have you, how come these patches have been made?
What, ma'am?
It's looking like the hanky has got different colors, patches. How have you done it? Did you not dip it in water? Did you not dip your hanky completely in water?
Yes, ma'am.
You dipped it completely in water?
No, ma'am.
Okay. And which colors did you use, Utsav? Where did this green and red come from?
Ma'am, whenever
I have used saffron, ma'am, with blue and then green.
Okay, nice. Good.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I have done this tie and dye on handkerchief. Ma'am, on my father's hanky, ma'am, my father says that do not do, ma'am. It can, ma'am, the father says that, my father says that it can be spoiled. So my hanky is very good and it is bad. So, ma'am, I have very much effort, ma'am, very much. Ma'am, my father says very much excuses. Ma'am, I have tell them that the hanky does not spoil, ma'am, and then it is not spoil, and ma'am make a very good hanky, ma'am. Now my father says very good.
Wow, now he is happy to see his hanky. That you have not spoiled it. You have in fact made it more beautiful. Wonderful. Varun, what about you? You didn't show me your hanky.
Ma'am, my mother has kept it in a safety place.
Oh, in a safe place.
Yes.
Okay, children. What about your pollution collage? Your poster. I want to see it.
Ma'am, this.
Complete it, complete it. Varun, I have seen yours. I'm asking to other children.
Okay.
Now your class will get over in the next minute. And you have not shared the picture with me, children. That's so bad. Anshuman, what about Anshuman has shared?
Ma'am, I have shared.
Yes. Anshuman has shared. What about other children? I want them also to share.
Okay, ma'am, I'm sharing.
Ma'am, I am making. Take time.
Ma'am, in the next period, we will do a new activity.
Yes, whenever you have class with me next. Are you asking about that?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
we can do this activity only because my activity is not complete.
No, Varun, so the whole class is not going to wait now, beta, for you. Just because you are being slow. You have to be a little quick because